Hi guys, today we have Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 charging board replace. The device came with melted charging board. You can see the back frame is melted too. Something got wrong causing that. Remove SIM card slot. Now you can push using your fingernail or plastic tool. Don't pull the plastic frame too much. There is fingerprint flex cable. You don't need to damage it or cut it. Just watch how did I do it. Remove the screws to unplug the battery. There is 2 screws. Remove fingerprint flex cable. Then we are going down to remove the screws. Then we need to go up to remove all of the screws from the board. I thought this device is containing charging board, but the charging port is on the board. So we need to remove all the board and then we can replace the charging board. Remove the speaker with something metal or plastic. I prefer something plastic. Unplug screen flex cable. No need to remove the antenna. I thought it's a charging board. Remove all the screws from the board and then let's start. There's adhesive at the bottom of the charging board. You need to heat it a few more for 20 seconds so you can remove it easily without broke the board. Remember, don't do anything stupid. Put the motherboard in the holder and then remove the adhesive and the charging board. Put some solder to the new charging port. put some soldering paste. We need to make the legs is perfect. You can use the iron, the soldering iron. After that, we can continue working and put it on the board. Now you can put it. Let the device cool down for about 2 minutes, then clean it with alcohol, and then get the board and the motherboard to test it. Before I do that, I wanted to make the soldering is very tight, so I had to use the soldering iron to make sure all the legs connected perfectly. Remember to make sure all the legs connected perfectly. Okay, put the board on, put the flex cable, the battery, and then put the charger on. Now the device is charging normally. That was for today. Now you just need to assemble the device back. You can watch it. The device will continue until I finish, but I'm going to leave. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe for me. We will see you in the next episode. See you. like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.